In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your invoice template in Xero. Whether you're looking to freshen up your business's image or simply make your invoices clearer and more functional, updating your invoice template can certainly make a big difference. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account and navigate to the homepage where you'll find your dashboard. This is the hub of your activity and it's where you'll begin most tasks in Xero. From your dashboard, locate the Demo Company Global option. For this tutorial, we'll be working within this demo environment, but you can follow along with your own data. Once you've clicked on Demo Company, look towards the top bar where you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. It'll open up a set of choices related to various settings you can configure within your Xero account. From this new menu, find and select Invoice Settings. This is the section where you can manage all aspects of how your invoices are structured and presented. Next, on the Invoice Settings page, you'll see an Options button. Clicking this will bring up a selection of additional actions you can perform. Here, you'll want to choose Edit. When you click Edit, it opens a fuller page dedicated to the customization of your invoice templates. Now, let's talk about this page for a moment. When you're editing an invoice template, you're essentially deciding what information appears on your invoices and how it's displayed. You can tweak details like logos, company name positioning, what data is highlighted, and so on. Take your time exploring these options to see how you can improve the clarity and effectiveness of your invoices. After you've made the desired changes and feel satisfied with your new invoice setup, head over to the bottom of that page and click on Save. Saving these changes will apply your edits to future invoices generated through Xero, so you'll want to double check everything before clicking this button. Ensure all the edits align with your company's brand and the information is clearly presented to avoid any confusion for your clients or customers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing your invoice template in Xero. Always remember to review your changes to make sure they align with your branding and communication goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in enhancing the way you do business. Be sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials and leave any questions or comments you may have down below. Until next time, happy invoicing!